Yeah, how you doing? We lost power on this Friday the 13th. However, this is not stopping this March Madness. Out of all of the good luck charms you may be holding on to, the spring cleaning essentials kit expertly put together by our professionals is a must. Before we get down and wash any machine here at Team, we'd like to give them a quick spray down with this. The VP cleaning solution will get rid of any dirt, soot caked to any machine. Not only will it clean your machine, but it actually smells like blueberries. Highly touted his new bike in a can, the SC1 uses a high gloss coating to make sure that it is an easy and smooth clean for your bike. One spray of this and a quick wipe down will save you hours on cleaning your machine. No clean job is complete without the right utensils, which is why I use the microfiber cloth from Muck Off. I actually heard it's so soft that Luke's been using it since the shortage of toilet paper. Even coronavirus isn't slowing down March Madness at Team Winnebagoland. We actually have all the hand sanitizer you need. Come on down and shoot a 3-pointer for a chance to win $100. We like to give them a quick spray down with this.